Hello friends, welcome to SS Speech in Kannada channel. Today we learn 10 lines essay about Mahashivratri. Okay, if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Let's start the video. First point. Mahashivratri Mahashivratri is one of the most important festival of Hindus. Mahashivratri is one of the most important festival of Hindus. Second point. Mahashivratri is a major Hindu festival festival dedicated to Lord Shiva. Mahashivratri is a major Hindu festival dedicated to Lord Shiva. Third point. Mahashivratri is the day when Lord Shiva Shiva married goddess Parvati Parvati. Mahashivratri is the day when Lord Shiva married goddess Parvati. Fourth point. Mahashivratri falls falls on 13th night night and 14th day of day of Falguna Falgun month month of Hindu calendar. Mahashivratri falls on 13th night and 14th day of Falguna month of Hindu calendar. Fifth point. In early early morning morning early morning devotees visit the temples temples to offer prayers to Lord Shiva. The early morning devotees visit the temples to offer prayers to Lord Shiva. Sixth point. In prayers prayers people people chant chant slogans slogans like HAR her MAHADEV, Har Har Mahadev, and Om Om Namah 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 Shivaya. In prayers, people chant slogans like Har Har Mahadev and Om Nam Shivaya. 7th point. Some devotees also observe fast on the occasion of Mahashivaratri. 8th point. On Mahashivaratri, people, people also perform Rudrabhishek, RUDRABHISHEK, Rudrabhishek in their homes and temples. 9th point. In temples, 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 people, people offer, offer water, water, and milk, milk over the Shivalinga as prayer. In temples, people offer water and milk over the Shivalinga as prayer. 10th point. This festival has a lot of importance in Hinduism, and devotees awake, awake all night, 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 and chant prayer of Lord Shiva whole night. This festival has a lot of importance in Hinduism, and devotees awake all night and chant prayer of Lord Shiva whole night. Okay, right. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.